people often count, okay, as a person, as a human being, we count so many things, as we have learned in the countable and uncountable. Now we can count. So many people are interested in the counting of amount, how many amount or how many money, how much money do they have. Okay, so they may be busy with counting their money, they may be busy with counting the problems that I'm facing this problem, I'm facing that problems. So many problems they are facing, they are counting continuously. As a negative person, they are just counting, or they are just uh, talking with that I am having lots of problems in my life. They never gets happy. Whatever their what we called, whatever their understanding is there, they just go through the problems only. They don't see the positive side, but always they are blaming their life. Yes, I have this problem, I don't have too much clothes, I don't have the big house. But when we compare this with the others, they keeps on comparing. If I'll have the bicycle, I want the motorcycle. If I'll have the motorcycle, if I have the scooter, the bike or all that, I want car. So our expectations never ends. We keep counting, we keep counting. We want the lots and lots of luxurious things, we want the money. Okay, now people often called their position in their workplace. Now I am as an peon here working. After working so many times, I'll get promoted. How many promotions do I got? What is my position? Am I on the highest, higher or not? All these they keep counting their position in the workplace. Now many people are interested with decorating their house. So what they do, they just keep counting. Okay, they just keep counting the electronic goods they passes. How many? That for example, if I'll have the very simple and very small mobile, what I count, that I should have the touch screen mobile. When I'll have the touch screen mobile, I think that I should have the uh, expensive mobile, a big screen mobile, or a tab. My expectations gets growing. Okay, so like this, the people start counting. Yes, I was having just a small mobile. I want this. I want the computer. I want the big screen. I want this LED screen TV. So we keep counting our electronic goods. Okay, so it's a very simple example that if someone is having a fan, ceiling fan, they continuously thought about that I should have a AC. Do we think na? But they are the electronic goods. They are going to be uh, just, they are not useful for so much time. But then also we spend the money on that. So many people, they have lots and lots of mobile. In this pocket also one mobile. In this pocket three mobiles with two SIM card, three SIM card. So we keep on counting this. But as a life, as a whole of our, as a human being, we should count the positive things. We should not count the negative side of the life. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn about how to count the positive things. That is our topic. That is our topic. That's count your garden. When I say the garden, so many colors, so many flowers, the greenery, the pleasant atmosphere, everything, all the positive vibes comes in our mind. Yes or no? So in today's lesson, we are going to learn count your garden. Lesson number 12, count your garden. I'll first read the poem for all of you. Then we will start with the explanation. Okay, stanza by stanza I will explain you. and just try to connect that with your life. What is your attitude towards the life? Is it you are thinking very negatively or you are thinking positively? Okay, just count your graph. Okay, first I'll read the poem for all of you, then we will move forward. The poem name is Count Your Garden. Count your garden by the flowers. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours. Don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadow. Count your life by smiles, not tears. With joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. Okay, the very simple poem. In the first stanza, what they're saying that count your gardens by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours. Don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadow. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not tears. Okay. So let us start understanding the poem itself. What the poem wants to tell us. First stanza is about counting the garden. Now, what the poet wants to tell us by saying that count your gardens? That means the poet wants to, sorry, count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Now, here the poet wants to tell us that when you go to the garden, that time you feel very happy. Whatever your sorrow, whatever your sadness, you just forget about that. You will just start running between the flowers and you will enjoy the flowers, the fragrance, the freshness. Okay, you would like to play with your friends. You forget everything, the negative things you forget. So, what are the leaves that follow? Falls. Okay. When the leaves falls, that time the person who is wiping them, he thinks that this is the all these are the rubbish, they are not useful. So this is the life. Whatever the tree needs, whatever the tree needs, that blossoms on the in the garden. All the flowers, all the colorful yellow, red, green, blue, whatever, all the colors are there. But when the leaves fall, they are just a rubbish things. Let them wipe it. Let them just push, collect all this and throw. Don't keep some counting that these many these many leaves are fallen, these many other bad things happened in my life. Never. Do not ever try to count that. Just keep counting your good or the memorable moments. Okay. So, in the first stanza, what the poet wants to counters, poet wants to counters the happiness, the colorful life, the positive things in our life. Do not uh, just concentrate on the leaves. Okay, the rubbish things. Let it go. Okay, count your days by golden hours. Don't remember clouds at all. Now, when you start thinking about your days, when you start thinking about how many years you have, uh, if you are 13 years, 14 years old, you have to count it the good time, whatever good time you have spent with your family, with your friends. Now, here, you can say that when the school was there, every morning or every afternoon, you have to come to the school, you should meet your friends, you have your tiffins, you enjoy together. So, in these days, as we are in the lockdown period, we just think about the that time. That yes, in this time I was enjoying with my friend. My friends were, we were sharing the tiffins. At that time we were gone for the picnic. Everything we are counting. That are our golden days. But what should not we count? That whenever you have the fighting, the quarrels, okay, with your friends, many times you people fight with each other. Don't just remember that. Leave it. If you have any misunderstanding, if you have your fighting with your friends, just don't remember that. Let it go. Forget everything and be the friends. Okay, you should be, your friendship should not be break. Okay, so count your golden hours, the happy moments. Don't count the time when you was crying. Sorry. Now the third stanza is count the night by stars, not shadow. Count your life by smiles, not tears. As I told you that when you talk about the positive things, the good things, the atmosphere which you feel very happy, you have to count that. That means you have to count the nights by stars. How many stars are sprinkling in the cloud in the at the night? Okay, so you have to count that. Don't just count your bad time. So count your nights by stars, not shadow. Count your life by smiles, not tears. How many times in the life you have smiled? Count that. This is the moment where my fathers gave me the surprise. This is the moment where my friends wished me. For example, as Rutvik, today we have wished him, we have appreciated him. He will never remember that during the online lecture, teacher wished me for my birthday. My friends sent me through the chat. So he will never forget about that. But if he takes the negative point, what he will do? He will keep thinking that yes, I should be in the school, I should meet my friend, I should have the gifts. That is the negative thing. If you cannot do this in this time, see that still your friends are wishing you, still they are with you. So just count your smiles, the good time. Do not count the bad time. Okay. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. As I've told you, how many wishes do you have got? That's your friendship, that's your bond with your friends. Do not forget that. Do not just keep counting, yes, this is my first birthday, this is my third birthday, my 12th birthday. Do not count that. Count that on that birthday or on in that years, how many happy moments do you have, how many joy you have. In the my On my 12th birthday, I was in the party, I was having a surprise gift. Just count about that, the people are with you, your parents are happy with you. Count that. Do not count the your age, that I'm right now I'm 12 years old, I'm 13 years old. Do not count that. Okay, so this is the poem all about. Count your gardens. Just a simple line, but what that line wants to tell us, that line wants to tell us that be happy. Don't be just overburdened. Don't keep on thinking about the negative things. Don't keep thinking about what problems you are facing, but you have to just think about that yes, these are the people with me, these are all my friends, this is my positive side, I do remember everything. Okay, are you getting me? So these are the things which we have to count. Count in the sense you have to enjoy your life. Just don't be very sad all the time. So many times people what they do, they just keep thinking about the bad things. Yes, I am the worst, this is my worst day, this corona period, we cannot go to the school, we cannot go outside, we are locked down here. Don't keep on thinking. See that in during that time you spend a lot of time with your parents, you spend a lot of time with your near or dear ones. Okay, so that is the thing which we have to count. Don't just keep blaming. Don't just keep blaming yourself. See that the positive sides of yours. Okay, now let us see what are the happy things and what are the sad things in the poem the poet have mentioned. The poet said about that when he saw the flowers, the colors, the freshness, he feels happy. These are the happy things for him. But when he looks at the falling leaves or the leaves, he said that these all are the sad things. We just don't count them. If in a bouquet we have seen the flowers, in that bouquet we just count the flowers. Have you any time counted that in that flower how many leaves are there, how many green flowers, the green leaves are there? No, we don't count that, because the freshness, the color, the smell, everything gives us the positive vibes. Okay, so flowers are the happy things, but when you have the leaves, do not count them. The golden hours are the happy things for the poem, in the poem. But when the black clouds appears in the sky, they are not the happy. That time you may have some problems, you are facing some problems, you may be sad person, but just don't keep being sad. Try to find out the way out over there. Don't just think that when these clouds will disappear. No, see the positive side in that. Because of that clouds, maybe the rain will fall, maybe the atmosphere will be happy. So think through the positive vibes. Stars, as we know, when the stars sprinkle or when they shines in the sky, we feel very happy. So you just have to count that happiness. They are uncountable, but then also we have to see that these all are the happy moments in my life. I don't have so many shadows in my life. Okay, so these all are the happy moments for all of us. Now you have to always count your smiles, how many times the people or the person in your life made you happy. Okay, don't keep that this is the person, he is shouting on me, giving me the tears, he always makes me cry. Just don't keep that in your mind. Okay, forget about that and keep smiling. The person in your life, when he gives you the smile, just remember that. Don't think about overburden about the tears in your life. Okay, that is the positive thing in your life. Now, friend, so friends in your life, how many friends do you have? For example, there is a proverb called that your friends are your lab, one book is a friend. So if you don't have the friends, if you don't have, just be your friends with the birds, animals, with the nature, with the books. Just keep counting that. Don't think that negatively, that in the school no one talks with me, no one is my friend. Do not at all think about that. If they are not your friends, be try to be their friends. Keep trying. Don't just uh, say that no one loves me. Everyone loves you, everyone cares about you. You should be very positive. Don't just keep counting your passing years. Don't just keep counting your passing years. Count your friends. Count how many good moments, how many person are there in your life to stand next to you. Okay, so keep counting that. What are the rhyming words? The rhythm. Yes, in the flower stanzas we have flowers are fall all, tears ears. Okay, these all are the rhyming words. They give the rhythm to that poem. Okay, these all are the rhyming words. Flowers, hours, fall, all, tears, ears. Now let us read the poem once again. Okay, you can see in this picture the girl who is standing in the at the night time. The leaves are falling, but she is just not concentrating on them. She's just happy with the greenery. She's just happy with the tree which is blossoming. Okay, she doesn't saw the black life of her. She just want to see the happiness in her life. Okay, let us read the poem once for you. Count your gardens by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours. Don't remember clouds at all. Count your nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your okay, count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours. Don't remember clouds at all. In these two stanza, what are the rhyming words? Flowers, hours. Okay. The first rhyming word which I told you, flowers and the hours. What is the second rhyming word? Fall, all. Okay. These two are also the rhyming words from the poem. After that we have tears, ears. These are the rhyming words, the pair of rhyming words. Okay, so on the every line the poet wants to count us the happy things, the positive things. He just neglecting or just avoiding the negative things or the negative vibes in his life. That's why always he is happy. He makes the people happy around him. Okay, this is all about count your gardens. In just a single line, he gave too many things have to live in our life.